welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a day in the life / spend the day with me. I'm not doing much today, which I never really do much these days. I just have a few things going on and I just wanted to do a quick little casual but fun video with you guys. I do have a few delivery that I'm expecting today. My ring light broke, so this is natural light, and this is beautiful, by the way, but this is natural light. The thing with natural light is it never ever stays consistent. This could change from really nice like it is right now to blurry to dark to whatever. So I really don't depend on natural light unless you know that the day is going to be super beautiful all day. Anyway, my ring light broke. I had to order a new one, so I'm expecting that today. I'm also expecting a package from Amazon. I'm into the natural look right now because it is low maintenance, it's easy to put on and just go, and a lot of you have been loving it as well, so that is what we're doing. I'm gonna be working with a natural hair brand here soon to talk to you about this hair and another one that I really like, so keep an eye out for that video. I also do have a few videos that I filmed a long time ago, I want to say about 2 months ago, that I never posted. They're already edited, but I never posted them, and I also think they're valuable stuff that you guys would like, so I'm gonna be working on those. And when I do post those videos, I'm gonna specify that those are old videos, so please read the pinned comment just in case you're confused about anything. So my package just came. Here it is. I'm not gonna be opening this right now because I have a lot of other stuff to do. So maybe when I get home later, but I already know what it is. Like I said, it's my ring light. So I'm gonna open that, put it together so I can film a sit down video that I have to film. I already have it planned, but I didn't have my ring light to do that video. And like I said, I don't like to depend on natural light because it changes like crazy. So I'm happy I got that. I have 2 more packages that I'm waiting for, and once they get here, I'll be good for the day, and then I'll get ready, and I'm gonna be going to the mall to get my makeup. My new favorite thing has been fried cassava. I don't know if you guys know what cassava is, but I know that majority of my audience are from Africa, and you guys already know this, but if you don't, this is oh my God, I don't even know if it's a fruit or a vegetable. This is one of the staple foods in Africa. This can be made out of fufu. It can be boiled, it can be cooked, it can be fried, it can be eaten raw. Some people like to eat it raw. As you can see, I've already peeled some. So yes, this is what I'm gonna be making today for my lunch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to cut it. I've already cut it up into pieces and now I'm peeling it off. As you can see here, this is the cassava peel. So I'm gonna peel it off, put it here, rinse it off, put a little bit of salt on it, and then fry it up. So I like to put it in the lid because that way I know I'm getting a precise amount versus just like grabbing it and trying to dump it in there. I've made a lot of mistakes doing that, so this is safer for me. Again, I just get a little bit, sprinkle it onto my cassava because I don't need much at all. And then I get a little bit of salt, put that in my hand, sprinkle it onto my cassava, and then just mix it. So this is my cassava, y'all. See how good this looks? You can actually eat this by itself because as you saw before, I did put a little bit of seasoning and a little bit of salt. You can also eat this with a little gravy or stew, however way you say it. My people say gravy. So I'm gonna be eating this with a little pepper and shrimp gravy. So this is my lunch. This is the pepper and shrimp gravy. That is so good, y'all. So good. I'm not honking my own horn, but trust me, it's really good. So this is gonna be my drink. This is Vita Malta. This is one of my favorite drinks. I think it's an African drink. This thing is so good. It has so many benefits and it tastes really good. And I like the ginger flavor. You guys, I live close to a farmer's market and they literally have everything. I feel like I'm in Africa when I go in there. They have all the African foods, all the American food, and they just literally have everything. I just got a delivery. This is, I'm pretty sure, from Unice Hair. I have been waiting, I already got it dirty, but I have been waiting for a package from them, and I'm pretty sure that's where this is from. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up here so you can see what's in here, so I can see what's in here as well. Yep, this is a wig. I have been waiting for this. This is a, if I'm not mistaken, this is a U-part wig, and it's curly. And then they usually send some goodies with their collaboration stuff, and that is what these are. This is what I'm excited about. This is a silk robe. This was just a gift. I don't think this comes with every order. I'm pretty sure actually that it doesn't come with every order, but usually when brands work with influencers, they like to send you know, just special stuff for them to, I guess, get in the good graces, or just because they want to be nice. So I'm very excited about this. I love robes. If I haven't told you guys this, I have a whole bunch of robes all around the house. It's so easy, especially because I work from home. It's so easy to just grab and put on and just be comfortable. So I love robes. All right, family, so this is the robe. It's nice. It's almost like a one size fits all because it didn't have a size on it, but it fits me very well, as you can see here. I love the color. It's very feminine, and as you can see right there, it says "You Nice." So today we're going to be visiting two stores. We are going to be going to Home Goods, and we're also going to be going to Ross. Now, Home Goods is a little better or high quality than Ross, or Ross is definitely down there like with the low quality. But the thing is, if you actually know how to shop at a store like Ross, you can actually win big, because they do sometimes have really good quality stuff, but for cheaper, right? So you have to have an eye for the things that you want, and you also have to know, you know, what to choose, what not to choose, so that your stuff does not look cheap. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And as I told you guys in my previous video, I'm going to be transforming a room in this house, and I'm going to start from scratch. I have the big pieces, of course, but everything accessory wise, I'm going to be picking up today. I've already picked up some, like I said in the previous video. I haven't shown you guys that, but I'm going to get the rest of the stuff today, and we're going to do a little haul for you all to see all the stuff that I got. So I remember when I used to do outfit of the day, and you guys would love it, and you guys always wanted to know what I was wearing. I thought that was fun too, and I want to start that again, especially when I'm doing vlogs like these. So this dress is a simple dress. I got this from Home Goods. This is not your Sunday's best. This is not your your best outfit, but this is just a cute little dress you would wear at the house when you're doing errands or cooking or doing stuff like that. So again, I got this from Home Goods. I think it was about $19. It has two pockets right here, and it has the little cinched waist thing going on right there, and I just paired it with a simple sandals. And today is Sunday and we're going out shopping, so I just wanted to wear something cute. It's also 90 degrees outside, so yes, that is what this dress is all about. And I have it paired up with some simple earrings, a simple necklace, and I just have it buttoned you know, buttoned down up to here, just to say I may look 16, but I'm not. I'm a grown woman. Okay, our first stop is Ross. Dress for less. They also have furniture in there, but I guess that's just their name. They have some good quality looking things, and they also have some not so good quality. See, like this chair, for example, right? This is in right now. Everyone on Instagram, all the Instagram model, the YouTube girls, they all have it in their apartment. If you got this from the actual store where they get it, it's gonna be so expensive. But if you come to a place like Ross, let's see how much it is. So this is $179, and that is a huge discount. So when you see something like that, this chair is probably like $500 at the regular store. It's cute. It's just really in right now. This is a little like the bed, the end of the bed. I forget what it's called. Shoot, I think it's called a chase. No, it's not a chase. Shoot, I forget what it's called. But this one is really, really nice. See, the quality looks nice. The wood doesn't look too cheap, because whenever it looks imperfect like that, that's a good thing, right? It doesn't look too cheap. Fabric itself is not bad. This one behind it too is pretty nice. This one looks cheap to me. It looks too perfect. This one looks cheap. I kind of like this one. That brown one, that's very nice. Not so much that one, not so much that one, and not so much this one. See, this is cheaply made. It's already falling apart. And if I had to choose this versus this, I would choose this. Less shiny. But some people like this style. There's some cute flowers here. See, this, that's a very nice one right there. I would buy this versus something like this. So these two, I would buy versus this. But again, to each his own. The less flashy, the more simple, the better. Oh, this is cute. A big vase right there, that's really cute. This little tray is cute. I like the marble and the gold accent. That's cute. You can put your perfumes over that, or anything you want to display in your bathroom or in your bedroom. That's another one right there. This is a beautiful piece right here. This is something I would get. See again how it looks imperfect? It looks like there's like grass growing on it. The sculpture looks, you know, it looks imperfect. Those are the kind of things you want to get. It's not too shiny, it's not too perfect. It makes it look expensive and high-end. But if you get something like this, for example, right? That looks cheap. Too shiny. And then the pink, it looks cheap. Or even this looks a little cheap. This is nice. Not too shiny, not too fancy. That's nice. Not this. If this right here was in the same material as this, I would get it, but it's not. This is cute, whatever this is. It's very nice. So all of this stuff is just out here on the floor like this. You just have to come, have a good eye, and choose the best ones for yourself. Otherwise, you end up getting stuff that is like very low quality and not good at all.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.